In this video, we are going to install MySQL. It is super easy. We need to download only 2 files. We are going to go to Google and we are going to put MySQL. I will go to the official site, and then we need to go to the. I will accept that, and we need to go to the bottom to the page, and we need to install this MySQL community server and also MySQL Workbench. I'm going to start with this with the server. Here we have the different options. In my case, I'm going to install for Windows and this installer. I will put download. Then if you want to log in, you can do the login, but if you want to just the download, you can click in this link. I'm going to save the file, and then okay, we have here the file. I will open the file. It is a super easy install. You need to put next. I will accept the terms after reading. Here you have different types of the installation. In this case, I will put this typical install. Okay, we finish with the install, and then I need to do this. I will put next. Here, this step is very important. You need to put a password, and you need to remember. I will put my password, and then I will put next, and I will put execute. And now we need to wait. We have the install finish. I will put next and finish. Then I'm going to go back, and I will download this other file that it is the editor to handle the different things in MySQL. That in this case is Workbench. I'm going to download. I'm not going to log in, and then I will open the file. Next. Here you have two different type of installation. In this case, I'm going to install complete. Okay, the install was finished, and now we have MySQL Workbench here. Here we have the local instance. I will click in here, and here we have we need to put the password that we put in some step before. I will put my password. I will put here in. I will click here in continue anyway. And here we have the editor. We have here the tab administration and schemas. Here in schemas, you can put here, if you want to create a new database, you can click here. You can put here test. Then click here in apply. Apply again. Finish. And here we have the database. You can create new tables, or you can delete or drop the database. If you like the video and it was useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channels and ring the bell.